Hello friends, today we have a Realme phone being repaired. The full title will be in the video description. As you can see, the phone arrived with a broken display. We will change the display module. And so we begin to disassemble the phone. Do not forget to remove the SIM tray first. And friends, I don't yet know whether I need to disassemble the bottom part of the phone because the battery blocks the view of the cables. First of all, we need to peel off the battery, because in any case it will prevent us from pulling out the display cable. By heating the phone to 100 degrees Celsius, you can remove the phone's battery. We peeled off the battery and now we can see which cable goes to the display. There is no need to disassemble the bottom of the phone. We need to peel off the sticker that divides the train. Let's do that. Now while a hot phone can peel off the display, let's do it. Let's immediately clean the frame from the old glue that was here and remove the separator so that it does not interfere with us. Now we apply special glue to the frame. Now you need to remove all the excess glue, because this is easier to do when it is still liquid. Now we leave the phone for 5 hours so that the display sticks well. Well friends, all we have to do is assemble the phone. Let's get to work. That's it, friends. The phone has been repaired. Let's lift the protective film. And here we have a perfectly clean display. Let's leave the protective film so that the client can remove it and get a perfectly clean display. Well friends, I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Good luck with your repairs friends. See you soon.